Hello folks, my name is Shobhit. I am your PTE expert working with Super Achievers Abroad Education, Gurgaon, India. These days I wish to share my experience with you that a lot of candidates are asking to me that why they are not being able to score 79 in PTE Academic exam that the year, yet they are preparing for this exam again and again, twice in a month or one time in a month. Sometimes they are struggling for the writing and reading, sometimes listening and speaking, and always they are being able to score 77, but they are not being able to score 79. So what the reason is there? So first of all, I wish to tell you that, as you know, that the requirement is here for the C2 level, that stands for 79 points. Means you require 79 points in your communicative skills, not enabling skills, because a message has no concern with your enabling skills but communicative. So what the reason is here? Because communicative skills means your way of the understanding and presentation, but enabling skills means your features, your grammar, your spelling and vocabulary. So sometimes you can see that the candidate scorecard, that a candidate could score 90 in grammar, 90 written scores, 86 spelling, 83 in vocabulary, but still writing 63. So what the reason is there? A candidate named Ravdeep has visited me with this type of scorecard where he could score 90 in grammar, written scores, spelling and vocabulary, but writing score was 63. So he was in depression, and because there was no room in his mind where he need to do improvement, because every enabling skills was approximately, which is pertaining to writing, was 90 out of 90. So I have observed the way of the communication, this way of the communication was not so appropriate that the examiner can consider him as a profession writer. So similarly, this type of situation is going for those candidates who are targeting 79 here. So as you know that 79 require for listening 79, reading 79, writing 79, speaking 79. But this phenomenon has applied not only externally in your scorecard but internally also. What are the mean of internal actually here? So any item which is pertaining to your writing skill is affecting your writing score, such as some written text, because you need writing skill to perform for some written text. Essay writing, because it is also pertaining. Parallelly, fill in the blank, summarize, spoken text, dictation, all these items pertain to writing skill, therefore these are affecting your writing score. So what the reason is here that a candidate could score 77 but not 79? Reason is not the 2 point, but reason is the one level that I have discussed in my last video about the CEFR level, because 79 stands for C2 level. So if you require 79 in each, so all items pertain to 79 in each, not the only writing, essay writing. Means your summary written text also should be for the C2 level skill, I mean 79 plus. Parallelly or similarly, the essay writing also stands for C2 level skill. Likewise, your summary spoken text, your dictation and your fill in the blank. If anywhere, if you could not prove yourself for the C2 level of writing skill, so that means you stand for C1 level of writing skill. So C1, and what the difference between C1 and C2? C1 means candidate is a conditional performer. C2 means candidate is overall performer. If a person is being able to communicate in a particular situation but not overall, so that type of candidate may be considered for the conditional performer, means C1 level. This type of candidate may stack up to 78 maximum but may not be graded for the 79. Apart from this, if a candidate is being able to communicate with all type of people, either maybe highly skilled, semi skill or basic skill, but if the performer is being able to communicate with all type of candidates, then the examiner will consider you for the overall communicator. Then examiner will grade you for your performance, basically for the 80 plus score. So here what I am suggesting to candidate, main thing is here, be a advanced level of proficient communicator. means everybody must be able to understand what you want to say. So apart from this, here examiner has some specific requirement to grade you, such as a well-developed position. Number 2, organized ideas. Number 3, supporting details. Number 4, basic elementary of English communication. Means your reader, who is your examiner, consider that your examiner is your reader. So your reader must be able to understand what you want to say. Yet your grammar is wrong. Suppose suppose you write that you want to say. So yeah, this is grammatically wrong, but still the audience reader may be able to understand what you want to say. So then they will grade for you for your communication, yet grammar is wrong. So here you must be able to develop a well position to fulfill reader's curiosity. What I mean reader's curiosity? Reader's curiosity means the requirement of the examiner. Actually, essay writing topic is nothing, just the curiosity of your reader. So you must be able to fulfill the curiosity of your reader. You must be able to develop what you think about to cope up a situation. So here you can understand that a template may not be fulfill each and every situation, because you don't communicate with everyone in a single template format. You must be able to show that you are a dynamic personality. Suppose you have developed a template and that template has applied in a certain format. So examiner will consider you for the C1 level, but that content has not applied. That template has not applied in another requirement, in another essay writing topic. So the candidate may be scored less than 65, maybe 60 to 0. So templates are not recommended here. Always understand the reader's requirement. Develop your position. Then what you want to say to fulfill reader's requirement, organize your idea with supporting details. Means reasons, examples, and you are requested to help your reader to identify that you have developed reasons or examples. And at last, basic elementary of English language, means capital letter, small letter, singular, plural, comma, punctuation, and other types of punctuation are also necessary. So here we can help you through classroom preparation also or online preparation also, if you are joining us to know more about this one. So we will do one-to-one session. Here we will discuss more about the scoring pattern of the essay writing. Subsequently, I am planning to discuss the scoring pattern of the essay writing in my next video. Here I will discuss about the 7 different parameters of the essay writing score. But at last, again, I wish to tell you that if you are targeting 79 in each, so that you have to prove yourself as a proficient communicator, means you are able to deal with all type of situation dynamically. Either it is summarized written text, essay writing, summarized spoken text, fill in the blanks, or dictation. Please do not show that you are struggling with any situation. At last, I wish to tell you that you can contact me through my Skype ID that is mentioned here. Apart from this is my WhatsApp number. And this is my email ID. At last, I wish to say that I feel delighted if I could help you to fulfill your dreams, to help you to get a visa to Australia by scoring 90 in each of the PTE Academic exam. Thank you.